Hi guys, welcome back to Callie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how to prepare this amazing cook-up saltfish. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Callie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's CallieKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Callie J's Kitchen. So here I have my saltfish and I went ahead already and cook it up at least twice just to remove that excess salt. And I also went ahead and run it under some cold water just so to cool it down a bit. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go in and start chopping up all of my vegetables. Now, as you can see, I have some scallion, I also have some onion, I have my garlic, my bell pepper, my scotch bonnet pepper, and of course I have my tomatoes. All of these items that I'm using today, you can get them at your local supermarket or grocery shop. Remember to be creative, remember to be you in the kitchen, and most of all, utilize whatever you have at home. You can visit your local farmers market, and of course, you'll get most of these vegetables there as well. If you guys have all of vegetables that you want to add to it, you can always go ahead and do so. If you have okra, if you have broccoli, cauliflower, you can always go ahead and add a small piece to it. Now, you can always go ahead and have this with some dumplings, some yam, some banana, some potatoes. You can have it with rice, you can have it with bread. You can always make it with some fried dumplings. I mean, you can always make it for your entire family, for your friends. If you're having a little party, you can always go ahead and prepare this. If you have some nachos, I made a video of some butter dumpling on my channel. I think it's 2 days ago. You can always go ahead and have this with it also. As for the saltfish, you can opt to buy the boneless saltfish, or if you're like me and like to debone your saltfish, you can always go ahead and do so. I do have a video on my channel showing you how to debone saltfish. You can always go ahead and check that out. In most cases, it's impossible to get rid of all of the bone out of your saltfish. Sometimes you might find 1 and 2 bones still lingering around, but that is okay. So as I said earlier, I went ahead already, boiled my saltfish at least twice just to remove that excess salt. If you do have the deboned saltfish, you can always go ahead and just boil it at least once and then you run it under some cold running water, and that will help to get rid of most of the salt. So once I'm finished with all of those vegetables, it's time to go ahead and start debone my saltfish. As I said, you have to be real focused and you have to ensure that you try to remove at least 98% of the bone. As I said, sometimes it's impossible. 1 and 2 bones might still linger on, but that is okay. So I went ahead also and put on my frying pot. I added some vegetable oil, allow it to hot, and then I'm gonna go in and add all of my vegetables. If you don't want to add all of your vegetables, you can always go ahead and add the garlic and the scotch bonnet pepper first, and then you saute that nicely. Please ensure that you turn on your stove on medium heat. You don't want to turn it up too high because you don't want your vegetables to burn. Now, this should take you roughly about 10 or so minutes. Really easy, really simple, and it should be delicious. You always want to ensure that your vegetables are not too soft. You want them to be crunchy and nice. All right. So now that my vegetables, they're all looking lovely and all of that goodness, I will go in and of course, I'm going to add my deboned saltfish. Once I add my deboned saltfish, I will also go in and add some black pepper. No need to add salt. No need to add any all-purpose seasoning or any of that. Just add your black pepper and you should be good. Combine everything together nicely, and once you combine everything together, you cover it and leave it there for another 3 minutes or so, and then it should be all ready. So once it's ready, I will come back and show you guys what this amazing cook-up saltfish looks like. Stay tuned for the final product. So just a reminder, guys, remember to combine everything together nicely, because you always want to ensure that everything is nicely combined. And basically, this is the final product of my amazing cook up saltfish. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think. Remember to subscribe to my channel and remember to turn on your post notification bell. We're almost at 8K subscribers. Help me get there by subscribing, sharing with your families, your friends, your co-workers. Share with everybody and tell them about Callie J's Kitchen. Thank you guys so much and see you tomorrow. Bye.